Texas Kia drivers, we have safety recall news for all Kia Telluride owners. If you're driving a Telluride from the 2020 to 2024 model years, listen up, because this is important. Kia America has issued a recall for nearly 463,000 Telluride SUVs due to a serious fire risk. The issue is with the front power seat motor. It seems that the slide knob can get stuck, causing the motor to overheat. This isn't just a minor glitch, it could potentially lead to a fire, even if your car is parked or while you're driving. Because of this risk, Kia is strongly advising all Telluride owners to park their SUVs outside and away from any buildings or other vehicles until the problem is fixed. Imagine the danger of a fire sparking in your garage while you're asleep or away from home. It's a scary thought, right? Here's what Kia is doing to address the issue. They have planned to install a new bracket for the power seat switch back covers and replace the faulty seat slide knobs. This fix is designed to prevent any future incidents of overheating. The best part? All these repairs will be done at no cost to you, the vehicle owner. Now you might be wondering when you can get this issue fixed. Kia plans to start sending out notification letters to owners. Dealers will get the heads up just a bit before that. This gives you some time to prepare and schedule a visit to your dealer as soon as you get the notice. Until then, please make sure to park your Telluride outside. Safety first, always. Kia hasn't yet commented on why there's a wait until the end of next month to start sending these notifications. But whatever the reason, the key takeaway here is to act promptly and ensure your vehicle is parked safely until the modifications are made. Remember, staying informed and proactive is the best way to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. If you own a Telluride, take these warnings seriously and follow the instructions provided by Kia. Stay safe out there and make sure to keep an eye on your mail for that notification letter. Thanks for tuning in and drive safely.